Renee, my name is Sarah and I am doing my video for the assistant click instructor or click assistant instructor, something that I think would be really fun to do. So I am going to walk you through how you set up your signature or change your signature on Gmail. At first it seems a little daunting, but it is actually quite simple. If you go up to the upper right hand corner of your Gmail screen when you're logged in, you will see a button that has this gear here. And if you hover over it with your mouse, it says settings. You want to left click on that once, then go down to where it says settings and click on that. I'm going to pull it out a little bit because this page can be a little big. See, we have settings and we have all of these things across the top. We don't even have to worry about those. What we're going to do in settings is we are going to scroll down until we reach a little spot here that says signature. Now I'm going to zoom in. I have mine set up already, but this way you can see it a little bit better. You'll see that there are two options. The top one is no signature, and that's if you just want to type in something original every time. Or you can do what I've done here, where it says Sarah Skelton, wearer of all hats, White Bear Jewelry, and it gives you all my information. You can also insert images, so if you wanted to put in your logo. Let's see, I don't think I have any on my drive, so I'll do upload just to give you a little bit here. And we'll find a silly picture because I have many of those. I'm one of those people that has a lot of photos for no good reason, but we will put my favorite guy ever on there for now, just to show you. Mr. David Bowie as the Goblin Prince in Labyrinth, who is my favorite, and apparently the picture is really huge, but that's okay because this is just for, see, just for demonstration purposes. Then you want to keep scrolling all the way down, and at the very bottom of the screen you hit Save Changes. Wait until it changes, and then we're going to do a little test because we like to do tests in order to make sure that we get everything right. And I'm actually going to go to my personal email, or from here, we'll go to Compose first. Let's do this. And see, you can already see the signature is popped up because there is huge David Bowie and all of his perfectness there. And then we'll just type in the right email, and on top of that and then we'll hit send. Now I should be able to go to my personal email and not my business email, and it's loading, as you can see. And then here is our little test. And there it is, with the full signature. I'll back it out so you can see the whole thing. Mr. David Bowie, and then my little signature is down on the bottom. Right about there. Although I believe my name is probably above there somewhere, but that's my signature. And of course I'm going to go back and change it back so David Bowie is not plastered everywhere. But I just wanted to give you a quick guide, and I will close that up now. So now that you know it works, again, really easy. I'll do it real quick. Settings. Boop. Probably did that too fast. Remember the little gear up here. Right click or left click. Go down to settings. Left click. And then it brings you here to the settings section. Ignore all the stuff on the top. You're just going to use the general tab. You will go down to where it says signature right there, and by default it says no signature, but you can change it. And then you just change it here. I'm going to get rid of Mr. Bowie. Boom, if it'll let me here. Remove. And then there's my signature, okay? And again, you scroll down, all the way down to the bottom, where it says Save Changes, and you click that, and it saves it, and then whenever you hit Compose, it will be right there. So you just write what you need on top of it, and you're good. So thank you for taking a few minutes and spending some time with me, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.